Best Doctors Insurance is the leading international health insurance company in Latin America, the Caribbean, and Canada. Training video for the subscription process. The importance of the application and its context. The application form is the contract between the insured and the insurance company. The information stated herein will help you get the best coverage for your family. General information. All fields in the application are important, and they must be completed legibly and only select the answer that applies. Medical questionnaire. All questions are vital and important for the subscription process. Please make sure that you declare all of your medical history and its corresponding details. It will help our medical underwriters help you obtain the best possible coverage. Please pay close attention when signing this document. It is very important that you review all legal clauses and provisions included within. If you have any doubts or questions about the application form and its process, do not hesitate to contact your health insurance agent. Your agent maintains direct contact with our company and will also be able to assist you with this process. Valid application. We cannot accept crossed-out questions or answers. Unanswered medical questions. Application form with no signature or date. Online application. Select the Application tab in the Agent portal. Click on Create Application and answer the questions. When the application is submitted, you will receive a confirmation email with the policy number established for the client. We also accept applications that were physically completed by the client. We await your application. Best Doctors Insurance. Excellence, certainty, experience.